Hey yo, good day everyone. Welcome to another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. So this is Octavia. This is my 2019 CF Moto 400 NK. It's a Sunday. It's a good day. Magra-ride tayo. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo makakaikot. Pero bago tayo umikot, tandaan natin RRR. Okay? Hindi yun modelo ng motor. Pero RRR, rider, riding gear, tsaka ride. Okay? So una muna yung rider. So I have to prepare myself. Kailangan ako muna yung mindset ko, yung KSA ko, alright? So knowledge, skills, and attitude ko, yun ang baon ko for the ride. And dapat fit and well. So ngayon medyo may sipon ako pero ang tagal ko na hindi nakakapag-ride. 3 araw na ako hindi nakakapag-ride. So kailangan na talaga mag-ride. So rider muna, no? Tingnan natin ang preparedness, ang pagiging prepared ng rider for the ride. And then next one is riding gear. Now, riding gear, walang kwenta tong suot ko. Although sa loob, meron akong padded Under Armour. Meron akong padded underpants. Pero walang kwenta to kasi naka-hoodie lang ako. Tapos naka-comfortable pants. Now, itong suot ko ngayon, ito yung example ko ng bare minimum pagdating sa riding gear. Bare minimum kasi merong 3 essential riding gears. Okay? Ngayon, wala akong legit na riding jacket, wala akong legit na riding pants. Ngayon, nandun, nilalaban ko, pinapatuyo ko pa. Pero, meron ako nung 3 essential riding gear. Okay? Number 1, I have riding gloves. Okay? Riding gloves, napakahalaga nito kasi napakahalaga ng ating mga daliri at ng ating mga kamay. So, full finger riding gloves. Although, aaminin ko, pinutol ko yung dulo ng 2 daliri ko kasi pag namimigay ng sticker mahirap kuhanin yung sticker dito sa lalagyan ko kapag may ano. But I have my full finger gloves, nasa labahan din, basa din. And then yun ang number 1. And then number 2, I have my riding boots. So this is the LS2 Gara na regalo sa akin ni Commander. Okay, so ba't may white? Ano yung white? Yung pala yung pader. Okay. So this is a LS2 Gara. Okay? Riding boots. So kailangan talaga riding boots. Hindi pwedeng boots, hindi pwedeng sneakers, hindi pwedeng basketball shoes, hindi pwedeng gym shoes o kung magra-ride, dapat riding boots. 'Di ba? Napaka reasonable naman 'yun, 'di ba? Parang kailangan talaga i-memorize 'yan, 'di ba? Riding, so riding boots. Riding, so dapat riding gloves. Alright, yun yung dalawa sa essential riding gear na talagang bare minimum, hindi pwedeng wala. And then of course, full face helmet. Ang pinaka-safe na helmet is full face helmet. Second na dyan ang modular helmet, as long as laging nakababa yung front shell. Full face helmet, and then ang pinakamahalaga dito is yung safety rating. Okay, ang pinaka okay na rating ngayon is ECE 2205 or ECE 2206. As long as it's ECE, okay ang helmet nyo. Pag walang ECE ang helmet nyo, then hindi yan safe. DOT, tagal nang outdated yan. ICC, wala naman talagang kwenta ang ICC. Pang ano lang yan, pang corruption lang yan ng gobyerno para lang makapag-tax sila sa mga nagbebenta ng mga companies na nagbebenta ng helmet. But set it aside, ECE, okay? So my helmet is the Spider Recon 2 helmet. Matanda na yung helmet na yan. ECE 2205. Well, pahingin pambili ng helmet kung gusto niyo magpalit ako ng helmet. So that is my one and only helmet. Naka anti-fog. Yun ang pinakamahalaga doon. May anti-fog cap so that I can keep the visor down. Kasi when you keep the visor down, you are safe. Protektado yung mata mo. And then, pagkatapos tayo ng riding gear, yun ang 3 essential riding gears, ha? The bare essential, bare minimum. So let's go to the ride. So sa ride, meron tayong ABC. So ang A natin is air pressure. I-check muna natin. B, yung braking system, kasi mahalaga yan. Fluids, leaks, baka yung lever, spongy, or tingnan natin yung brake feel. And then of course, letter C, yung chain. So chain slack. Yun yung 3 mahalaga. Air pressure, braking system, and then yung chain. And the rest, Kayo na bahala kung gusto nyong i-check yung the rest. Ako ang chine-check ko dyan is mamaya pag upo ko dito sa motor ko, i-check ko yung steering, kung may kumakalog, kumakalampag, mga weird na tunog o mga kakaibang tunog. And then, eto, last na, okay, bago mag-ride, hindi natin kinakailangan, okay? You don't need na painitin mo ang isang EFI na motor ng more than 1 minute. No, hindi na kinakailangan yon. Laos na yon, luma na yon, okay? Kapag EFI ang motor, naka-ECU, naka-computer, 1 minute lang. 1 minute lang, 60 seconds lang. Start the bike. Okay? Let it idle for 60 seconds and then you can go. Habang umaandar ka na ngayon, for the first 500 meters, iinit na yung makina. Believe it or not, iinit na yung makina lang sa kanya. Hindi mo kinakailangan hintayin sa garahe yan. Aaksaya ka lang ng gasolina. Okay? 60 seconds. Okay. Start the bike. Idle for 60 seconds. Go. First 500 meters, moderate na takbo. Sa first 500 meters, ang kinakailangan talagang painitin o i-warm up, suspension, brakes, and tires. Yung tires, iinit na yan kasi gumugulong eh. So for the brakes and for the suspension, what you can do is napakasimple. You accelerate, you brake, accelerate, you brake, accelerate, you brake for the first 500 meters. Pero do it moderately. Banayad lang muna. First 500 meters. Hindi nakawalan sa pagkatao natin yon. First 500 meters, ride moderately. Accelerate, brake, accelerate, brake para maglaro yung brakes at para maglaro yung suspension. Squat, dive. Mapapainit natin ang suspension, mapapainit natin yung gulong, and after the first 500 meters, the bike is ready and you can go on your ride. Alright, so ride safely everyone. I'll see you on the road.